Good morning. My name is Joy. I'm from CatchTheWaveMinistries.com, and I am in Barbados at the synagogue. And this is the gentleman that runs the synagogue here, and I want to ask him a little bit about the history of this synagogue.
In 1932, the Jews came to Barbados. Well, they came to Barbados, but they were going this.
That's okay.
The Jews came to Barbados in 1932, but they were going to Venezuela. But the ship stopped here in Barbados, and they've never been to Venezuela to stay on the island. There were two Jews and there were peddlers. Peddlers mean that used to carry a suitcase with little clothes and things. They used to get around, and eventually it grew until they get a certain amount. They used to live in Rockley in a little house. At this time, this synagogue used to be a warehouse. Used to sell plates, anything like a hardware like that. So eventually, when the Jews started to grow a little bigger, they decided to ask about the synagogue. That time they had a Jewish guy who was in Parliament named Mr. Truss. So he asked the Prime Minister about the synagogue, and eventually they got it back, and it has to stay as it's a building that you cannot destroy. National Trust building now. It goes to family from year to year, it goes on, but they cannot sell it or they cannot destroy it. So they discovered now that it was really got back to the warehouse, like nothing. It was a shell, and they started to work on it until they get it back to how they wanted it. The cemetery was all rubbish. You can see none of the gravestones or nothing, so it just was used to dump stuff and everything in it. And the Jews of their side started to work till they couldn't even work anymore. Then they had to get help with it. They bring some people from the cemetery, Westbury Cemetery, to help them discover all the graves that they can find. So since they got that back, then they work on the museum. Now, once it has a synagogue, there's a rabbi house also on the premises. So they try to find the location, and eventually they do some researching, and they find the rabbi house where it was. And the rabbi house also has something called a mikveh. A mikveh is a bath that the ladies have to go in it certain times when the month comes. So that is the mikveh you see there now. They're repairing it.
The mikveh, okay.
And eventually they're going to be a tourist attraction. So that's how the business started with the Jews in Barbados that far now.
So this is now currently the synagogue, the active synagogue, but it will not be active until December. Is that what you said?
And it's also not the original.
It's not the original synagogue.
The original synagogue was built in 1654, but that was destroyed by a hurricane in 1831. So they rebuilt it on the same site in 1832.